Welcome back to Tap Tech. Today we're diving into something small, powerful, and packed with serious performance. It's compact, but doesn't hold back. This is the ROG NUC 2025, and it's not your average mini PC. This little machine is built for gamers, creators, and power users who want maximum power in minimum space. Whether you're building a stealthy gaming setup or looking for a small editing powerhouse, the ROG NUC 2025 is worth checking out, right out of the box. The NUC 2025 looks different. It's small, yes, but it doesn't feel fragile. The build is solid. The matte black body with sharp angular edges and RGB accents makes it feel premium. It looks like a tiny beast. There's a metallic sheen, subtle branding, customizable lighting that gives it a gaming identity without going overboard. Asus and Intel have worked together on this, and the design shows it's made for airflow and cooling. Vents are smartly placed. The top and rear sections help hot air move out quickly. Despite the compact size, the internals stay cool during most tasks. The frame is sturdy. You can tell it's built to last. Accessing the internals is simple. Remove a few screws and panels, and you're inside. It's designed to be user-friendly. You can swap out storage or RAM easily. And even though it's small, you're not stuck with fixed specs. This makes it flexible for upgrades, something that many mini PCs lack. The small size doesn't mean compromise. Inside, the ROG NUC 2025 packs impressive power. The display output depends on what monitor or screen you connect to it. But the GPU and CPU combination means you get top-tier visuals with minimal lag. Of course, the NUC itself doesn't have a built-in screen, but it supports up to 4 displays at once using HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and Thunderbolt 4. That makes it a strong choice for multi-monitor setups. Whether you're gaming, editing, videos, or coding, it adapts well. Connect it to a 4K or 144p screen, and you'll get smooth output. Frame rates stay stable. There's no stutter, no delays. And that's thanks to the powerful GPU options, like the NVIDIA RTX 4070 or 4060, depending on the configuration you pick. Inside, we'll find up to Intel Core Ultra 9185H processors. These chips are fast, efficient, and made for heavy tasks. They're based on Intel's Meteor Lake platform, using hybrid architecture. That means performance cores handle intense work like gaming or editing, while efficiency cores manage background tasks. This helps balance performance and thermals. You can push the system hard without major heating issues. Even under stress tests or long gaming sessions, it keeps cool. Thanks to the dual fan cooling and vapor chamber technology, when it comes to graphics, the dedicated NVIDIA RTX 4070 GPU in the top variant is a game-changer. Ray tracing, DLSS 3, and AI-powered enhancements work perfectly here. You can play modern AAA titles at high settings, can edit 4K videos, render scenes, or work with 3D models without lag. In terms of storage, it comes with fast PCIe Gen. For SSDs, load times are short. Games open fast. Apps respond instantly. App is almost immediate. With 2 M.2 slots, you can expand storage later if you need to. Memory support goes up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. That's more than enough for gaming, multitasking, or creative workflows. Everything feels smooth. No hiccups, even when you open 30 tabs. Stream and run software all at once. Software-wise, the ROG NUC 2025 comes with Armory Crate. It lets you customize fan profiles, lighting effects, and performance modes. Want silent mode during work? You can set that. Want turbo mode? While gaming? Just switch it. There's also AI noise cancellation for voice chats, especially useful for gamers and streamers. The AI helps remove background noise when using an external mic or headset. It makes voice clearer and sharper. This small machine also supports Wi-Fi 7, That means blazing fast wireless internet, provided your router supports it. Downloads, streaming. Cloud syncs happen fast and without interruption. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures your devices connect without dropouts. Headphones, controllers, keyboards all work seamlessly. Let's talk battery, but wait, this isn't a laptop. The NUC 2025 is a desktop replacement. It plugs into power like a traditional PC, but even with the small size, it doesn't get too hot. The power adapter is well optimized, and the fans run quietly when needed. Now, about real-world usage. For gamers, this is a strong alternative to bulky towers. You can play titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Warzone, or Elden Ring at high or ultra settings. DLSS 3 helps keep frame rates above 100 in many titles. Ray tracing is smooth. You can game in 4K or 144p with zero issues. For creators, it's just as powerful. Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci, Resolve, Blender all run without stuttering. Export. Times are short. You can edit large files or batch render without slowing down the system. It's not just about power. The sound experience is also well thought out. Though there are no built-in speakers, you get high-quality audio via the 3.5mm combo jack or through HDMI USB-C, the right external speakers or headset. The audio is immersive and detailed. If you're using it for media or content creation, the support for high-res audio codecs and surround sound makes a big difference. The soundstage is wide. You can hear clear separation between instruments or in-game effects. On the connectivity side, the ROG NUC 2025 is stacked. There are 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, several USB-A 3.2 ports, HDMI display port, an SD card reader, and Ethernet. That means you can plug in your monitor, mouse, keyboard, controller, hard drives, still have ports left. The Ethernet port supports 2.5 gigabits per second speeds. That's ideal for fast downloads, stable online gameplay, and even NAS access. And because it's NUC, the layout of the ports is smart. There's no messy wires in the front unless you want them. Price-wise, the ROG NUC 2025 isn't cheap. It's a premium product for people who need power in a compact form. The base models start around $1,499 and can go above $2,000 depending on the configuration. But when you look at what it offers, it starts to make sense. You're getting high-end CPU and GPU performance. It's upgradable storage and RAM, solid thermals, great connectivity, customizable RGBL in a package that fits in your backpack. Compared to full-size desktops with similar specs, it holds up well. You save space and still get all the power. It's also great for people who move often or want a clean desk setup without big towers and clutter. Let's go over the pros and cons. On the pro side, there's top-tier performance. It handles gaming and creative work equally well. The design is premium. The build quality is excellent. You can upgrade storage and RAM. You get plenty of ports. Thermals are well managed. It runs quiet most of the time. And you get all of this in a compact body. Now the cons, it's expensive. Not everyone needs this level of power. Some might prefer a gaming laptop at this price. Also, there are no built-in speakers, so you'll need external audio. And if you're new to compact systems, upgrading parts might take a bit of learning. But overall, this is a very strong product. The ROG NUC 2025 is not just a mini PC. It's a performance powerhouse made for serious users. It breaks the idea that small PCs are only good for light work. This one can game, edit, multitask, and do it all without breaking a sweat. If you want a compact system with no compromises, this is it. Whether you're a gamer who wants to save space, a content creator on the move, or someone who wants a clean desk setup, the ROG NUC 2025 delivers. That wraps up our full review of the ROG NUC 2025. Let us know what you think in the comments. Would you pick this over a full desktop or laptop? And if you're planning to build a compact setup, this might be the heart of it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tap Tech for more deep reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.